With so many styles, materials and colours to choose from, how do you decide on the right bifold door for your home? One of the biggest decisions you'll make is selecting the material: aluminium, timber or UPVC. In this video, we will be comparing these materials by price, aesthetics, performance, strength and maintenance. Price. Price is a consideration for most projects, and it's just as important not to underspend and skimp on quality as it is overspending and risking going over budget. There is a very wide range of prices for bifolding doors, with UPVC normally offering the cheapest option, timber the most expensive, and aluminium somewhere in the middle. Many homeowners choose value for money over the cheapest option, which is why aluminium is the most used material for bifolding doors by some margin. Aesthetics. As bifold doors are a major statement piece in any room, the aesthetics of the door play a vital role. Aluminium bifolds are available in any RAL colour, which means over 150 different options. UPVC suppliers usually offer around 10 different coloured foils, and wood is available in a few different timber finishes. Wood does look great in period properties, but modern aluminium bifold doors now come with a realistic finish that can easily pass as wood. For modern properties, the various grey shades aluminium offers are incredibly popular. Due to the strength of aluminium, you'll see that the frames are much slimmer than UPVC and timber. This will allow for a less obstructed view and let more light into the room, which creates the impression of a larger space. Performance. Unfaltering performance over many years is a sign of good quality. To get this, it's important to look at the guarantees that are offered. Also check exactly what the guarantee covers. Origin's aluminium door leads the way with a 20-year guarantee on all parts. As with all external doors, the security is paramount to ensuring peace of mind. The strength of aluminium does make it a front runner in this category. However, there are a few things you should look for on any system, including conforming to PAS 2324 standards, how many points of locking on the lead door, the locking cylinder and barrel security features, including anti-pick, snap, bump, lift and drill. Good thermal performance stops the transfer of air from inside to out, and vice versa. Historically, UPVC and timber are the better thermal performers due to being good insulators. However, aluminium can now rival them due to the introduction of thermal breaks between the aluminium. Strength. Aluminium is the strongest of the three materials, which results in a number of benefits that you might not realise straight away. For example, the maximum size of each door can be larger, which can mean using less doors and more glass. It also means the doors can be much taller, which offers an impressive look whilst flooding the room with light. The added strength also offers improvements to the longevity, security, and the ease of operation. Maintenance. Timber doors require the most amount of maintenance out of the three, especially when they are regularly in direct sunlight. Aluminium and UPVC are low maintenance, with only occasional cleaning required. However, UPVC can start to look tired sooner and gain a yellow or pink tinge. Aluminium will wear better down the line due to the strength of the material and the powder coating process used to colour the doors.